Senor. What are you doing, all Mr. Contortionist? I see you got the 8-pillar trim off. Oh,
and the footwell trim.
Oh, yeah. You're having a blast.
Oh, yeah. I'm
enjoying yourself. All this to get that one sensor.
Okay, so I cannot cut that one. I gotta chase that back. Hold on.
Oh boy. Oh, look at all that.
That goes directly to the stereo.
Excessive wire. Fun.
Beyond excessive wire.
Always had a lot.
Can't touch this one.
Can't touch this?
Nope, cannot touch this at all. This is for their XM radio or Sirius radio or whatever this thing has. I'm glad I stopped when I did.
Nice.
Okay, so let's see if we can't put this together a little more intelligently. Okay, so we're gonna go here. And I'm gonna need some zip straps.
Okay.
So that I can put, I'm like, no, something says just triple check it. So this one we'll have to put some adhesive back on and put it back up.
Got it.
So, okay, that takes care of this one. So I need a zip strap.
Okay, I'll go get you some. You got some out here, or do I got to go fish?
For me, it would be in my toolbox.
Well, that's way over.
Top red new box that came in to join the two carts.
Yeah.
Top drawer, right-hand side.
Okay, I'll go fetch.
Okay.
Anything else you need?
The winning numbers of the lottery so I can quit my job.
Well,
and since I'm not getting an answer on that, I'm probably thinking you don't have the winning numbers.
No.
Okay, so I got to go to work in the morning. Shit.
Haha. All right. Well, I'll be back.
Okay, grab me.
You having fun under the dash?
Grab me 3 of them, please.
Okay, we'll take care of that. Get that done, and then we'll finish our inspection. Yay.